morning students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. And yesterday in previous class I have explained you about the pronouns. Is it? I have given you the definition even the kinds of kinds of pronouns also. We have learnt already three pronouns. Now remaining we are going to learn today. One is the possessive pronoun, possessive pronouns. So let us know what do we mean by possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns pronouns show that something belongs to someone. possessive pronoun यानी possessive सर्वनाम जो होते हैं ये हमें क्या बताते हैं? शो मीन्स बताते हैं या दिखाते हैं क्या? that something belongs to someone मीन्स कोई ऐसी चीज़ या कुछ भी हो वो किससे संबंधित है. ओके, belongs to someone, वो किसको संबंधित है ये हमें बताने वाले जो शब्द होते हैं उन्हें हम possessive pronouns कहते हैं. Examples are am I any mine, OURS ours, YOURS yours, HIS his, HERS hers, THEIRS theirs. Okay, the examples for the possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers and theirs. Next is indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns, a pronoun that does not रेफर टू एनी पर्सन. ऐसे सर्वनाम जो किसी व्यक्ति को बोध नहीं करते, ना ही किसी मात्रा के बारे यानी अमाउंट के बारे में हमें बताते हैं. अमाउंट मीन्स पैसे नहीं होता, जैसे कि कोई क्वांटिटी होती है, अमाउंट की मात्रा जो होती है उसके बारे में हमें नहीं बताता ये. और थिंग, किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में पर्टिकुलरली ये नहीं बताया जाता कि है क्या वो. ओके, ना तो ये बताया जा रहा है कि किस व्यक्ति के लिए यह क्या है, ना ही ये बताया जाता है किस वस्तु के लिए यहाँ पे बात की जा रही है. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न द एग्जाम्पल्स. एग्जाम्पल्स आर एनीथिंग, कुछ भी, समथिंग, कुछ, एनीवन, कोई भी, एवरीवन, प्रत्येक, है ना. तो ये जो वर्ड्स होते हैं ये क्या है? इंडिफिनिट प्रोनाउंस है. यहाँ पे ये नहीं बताया जा रहा है कि कौन है, क्या है, ठीक है, कैसी चीज़ें हैं, ये नहीं बताया जा रहा है. यहाँ पे इंडिफिनिट प्रोनाउंस का उपयोग किया जाता है. सो नाउ let's try 7 in our textbook. Those students who are not having the textbook, please write down these you have to write in your fair notebook, so take the screenshot of this. And together with this, those students who are not having the textbook, please write the let's try 7 also in your fair notebook. Yes students, now see here, let's try 7. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate pronoun. Use the clues given in the brackets. Yes, what they have given? They have given you here the bracket. In bracket they have said you what kind of pronoun you have to use. You have to use personal pronoun, or you have to use possessive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, definite indefinite pronoun, or interrogative pronoun. They have already mentioned in the bracket. According to these clues, you have to fill the pronoun in this given space. Okay, so let's see the question A. This is Yash. I don't think you have met dash before. This is Yash. I don't think you have met him before. So HIM, him. Okay. Next is my mother just retired dash was a teacher. Here we have to use personal pronoun. So my mother just retired dash was a teacher. Here we can write here she was a teacher. S will be capital here because there is a full stop. Next, does this wallet belong to you? No, it is dash. Possessive pronoun. Here we have to use possessive pronoun. So yours, it is yours, or his. Any one pronoun, possessive pronoun you can use here. Next is question D. Dash are the perfect earrings. Demonstrative pronoun you have to use here. So these are those. Any one demonstrative pronoun you can use here. Next question E. Dash is your friend's name. Interrogative. What is your friend's name? So we will write here what. WHAT, what. Next F is I won't tell you the secret to dash. Indefinite pronoun. I won't tell you secret to, tell your secret to anyone. ANYONE, anyone. Okay, in this way we have to fill the appropriate pronoun with the help of the clues. I hope you have understood. Yes students, now next topic is reflexive pronouns. Okay, I have not mentioned yesterday in your class about the reflexive pronoun. So let's learn. This is also a kind of pronoun. Okay, reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are the words that are used means when a subject and object are same. Okay, when subject and object of a verb, यानी जब कोई subject होता है जो करता होता है, जो object होता है verb का, वो same होता है इसमें. ठीक है, reflexive pronoun में. तब हम क्या करते हैं वहाँ पे reflexive pronoun का use करते हैं. reflexive pronoun वो होते हैं जैसे कि myself, yourself, himself, themself, itself, themselves. Okay, these are the reflexive pronouns. So let's read here. Reflexive pronouns are words, वहाँ शब्द होते हैं reflexive pronoun, like myself. myself means मेरे खुद का. yourself means तुम्हारा अपने आप का, स्वयं है ना. himself, herself, itself, ourselves, ये plural form में जब होंगे तब हम use करेंगे. yourselves and themselves. Okay, they refer back to a person or a thing. they refer back to a person or a thing. ये जो यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस जो होते हैं ये क्या दर्शाते हैं, व्यक्तियों को या वस्तुओं के बारे में. जैसे कि सर्वनाम का जो यूज़ किया जाता है जब हम किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करें या किसी व्यक्ति के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो हम रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस जो यूज़ करेंगे वो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वी हैव टू यूज़. We often use reflexive pronouns when the subject and the object of a verb are the same. हम reflexive pronoun का अक्सर तब उपयोग करते हैं जब subject और object, जो क्रिया वाले जो शब्द होते हैं जिनके subject और object जो होते हैं वो एक समान होते हैं, सामान्य होते हैं, तो तब हम क्या करते हैं वहाँ पे reflexive pronoun का use करते हैं. So now let's see the table here. So see here the table, subject pronoun. Okay, pronoun in a subject, and when we have to use with the subject, if they have given you the pronoun like I, at that time if the question they have given you that write the reflexive pronoun for the I. अगर आपको एक सेंटेंस दिया जाता है और उसमें I और आपसे ये कहा जाता है कि इसको रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन में कन्वर्ट करके आपको ये सेंटेंस बनाना है, तो तब हमें किसके साथ कौन सा रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन यूज़ करना है. सो I, रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन विल बी माई सेल्फ. you is a singular form. yourself, it can be a plural form also. he, she or it, but in subject pronoun and reflexive pronoun you will be in a singular pronoun. Okay, he, she or it. For he we will use himself, she, herself, it, itself. Okay, we, ourselves, sorry, we is a plural form, and ourselves we will use a reflexive pronoun ourselves. You in plural form, yourselves. See here, you in singular form, yourself. In plural form, yourselves. selves. F will be converted into a ves. Okay, next is they. Reflexive pronoun will be themselves. Okay students, I hope you have understood this. Now let's try 8. Yes students, now let's see here, let's try 8. Choose the option that best completes the sentence. Means they have given the options in the questions, you can see in the bracket. We have to use the best option from this and we have to complete this sentence. So the first question is A. He cut dash himself or yourself while cutting the paper. So what we will write here, he cut dash while cutting the paper. He himself while cutting the paper. He cut himself. So we will write here himself. उसने अपने आप को काट लिया जब वो पेपर काट रहा था. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज बी. डोंट ब्लेम डैश फॉर द एक्सीडेंट. किसी और के ब्लेम मत करो, उसको मत कहो कि तुमने एक्सीडेंट किया है. इट वॉज नॉट योर फॉल्ट. सो वॉट यू विल राइट हियर, डोंट ब्लेम योर सेल्फ. ओके, वॉट यू विल राइट हियर, योर सेल्फ. Lisa enjoyed dash while working in the garden. Lisa enjoyed herself because Lisa is a name of a girl, so we will write here herself, HERSELF. Okay, next is the cat defended dash against the dog. The cat defended itself. For the animals we use it, so we will write here itself, ITSELF, itself. Okay, next question is we washed dash themselves ourselves thoroughly after our swim in the muddy river. So the question in this question, what we will write, ourselves. So the answer will be ourselves, OURSELVES, ourselves. Why don't the two of you keep dash warm with these blankets. Sorry, why don't you two of you keep yourselves? Because here, why don't the two is in a plural form, so we will write here plural of yourselves. I hope students you have understood this. Let's try 8 also. Yes students, now let's see, let's try 9. Rewrite each sentence after inserting the pronoun in the appropriate position. Now here what we have to do, we have to rewrite the sentence, means again we have to write the sentence by inserting the pronoun. Means यहाँ पे pronoun का use नहीं किया जा रहा है, तो pronoun का उपयोग करते हुए क्या करना है, हमें ये sentence दोबारा से लिखने हैं. So let's see question A. Welcome to our house. Please make comfortable. Okay, welcome to our house. Please make comfortable. Welcome to our house. Please, full stop, please make. Instead of our, we will write the reflexive pronoun now here. Yourself or yourselves. They may be only one in singular form also, or one, more than singular also. Sorry, instead of our, we won't write your and yourself. Please make yourself or yourselves comfortable. Any one of this. If they have mentioned it is in a plural form, then we have to use only yourself. If it is in a singular form, then we have to use here yourself. Then B is the elderly man drove to the hospital. The elderly man drove himself to the hospital. Drove means drive करना. तो जो बड़ा आदमी था, मीन्स बुजुर्ग आदमी था, वो अपने आप खुद स्वयं कहाँ गया, हॉस्पिटल के लिए चला गया. C. The team arranged in a circle on the field. टीम जो थी उसने अरेंज किया, सर्कल में, फील्ड में सर्कल बना के वहीं पे वो बैठ गए. सो द टीम अरेंज्ड themselves in a circle on the field. There is no sufficient space, so I have written like this. Next question D. She made ill by forgetting to make her medicines. She made herself ill by forgetting to take her medicines. Okay. Next is E. The tiger cub forced through the narrow opening of the cave. The tiger cub forced itself through the narrow opening of the cave. Next question is I made a cup of tea. I made myself a cup of tea. In this way what we have to do, we have to use the reflexive pronoun where I have explained you like this, and then you have to write this, rewrite the sentences. Okay students, have a nice day and write everything in your, those students who are not having the textbook, everything in your fair notebook, and those students who are having the textbook, please fill in your textbook itself. Have a nice day.